Is your air conditioner struggling to keep up this summer? Don't sweat it, we've got you covered. Hi, I'm Mike Willichill from the Heating and Air Experts, your trusted local HVAC professionals serving Pennsylvania. If your AC unit is blowing warm air, making strange noises, or driving up your energy bill, it might be time for a professional AC repair. At the Heating and Air Experts, we offer fast, reliable, and affordable AC repair services in Delmont, Greensburg, Irwin, Monroeville, Murraysville, North Huntington, and surrounding areas. Our licensed technicians are available 24/7, ready to diagnose your system and fix the problem the right way the first time. We'll walk you through the issue and offer honest solutions that fit your needs and budget. 7+ years of experience, 5-star Google rated, 100% satisfaction guarantee.